Hello dear traders and partners of AMarkets. My name is Daria, I'm the financial advisor, and today we are going to discuss the situation in the global financial markets. So let's get started. Now USDJPY, and the dollar fell lower against the Japanese yen yesterday after the US President Donald Trump and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi boosted hopes for a large fiscal stimulus package which motivated some traders to sell the US dollar. The White House and Democrats in the US Congress moved closer to agreement on a new coronavirus-related aid package on Tuesday, as Trump announced that he was accepting a large aid bill despite opposition in his own Republican Party. The US dollar got lower to a one-month low against the Japanese currency, while the yen showed its best one-day gain since the 28th of August. Next, GBPUSD, and the British pound jumped to a one-week high against the US dollar on Wednesday, after the European Union's Brexit negotiator Michael Barnier told EU lawmakers a trade deal with Britain was still possible if both sides work hard to overcome their sticking points. We remind that earlier in this week, on Monday, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said there was no point in continuing talks to save a post-Brexit trade deal. After Barnier announced that it likely may happen, the pound rose 0.9% to 1.3090 level, its highest since the 13th of October. Britain and the EU are now aiming to reach a trade agreement by the end of the month, having missed a deadline of mid-October, and their negotiators will speak later on the next week. Last, oil, and West Texas Intermediate crude is currently trading about $40 level and is being down by almost 5%, having fallen from a high of $41.87 to a low of $39.73 per barrel. Despite a second decline in US crude supplies in a row, which was reported by the Energy Information Administration, the oil prices are being pressured as investors try to keep away from risk assets, including oil. The rising cases of COVID-19 in Europe, in particular, has impacted investor sentiment at the middle of the week. The analysts are bullish on the longer run of the outlook and have told, with the OPEC Plus put nearly at the money, we see a potential setup building for an upside surprise, and normalizing demand expectations, large-scale fiscal stimulus, and the potential vaccine announcement shortly following the election, along with an OPEC Plus revision to the planned tapering of their historic output deal, should all conspire to offer strong support in energy markets. So for now, this is the main trading ideas for the upcoming trading session. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to our channel, and we will do our best for you to reach success trading with AMarkets.